What's the meaning of anon? Anon. 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 Anon.
Anon is a shorthand for anonymous, which is used to describe someone who is unknown or unidentified. It is commonly used in online spaces, where users may choose to remain anonymous by not disclosing their real names or personal information. The term can also be used to describe actions or statements that are made without revealing the identity of the person responsible. In essence, anon allows individuals to participate in discussions or activities without being personally identifiable, which can be beneficial for privacy, safety, or simply personal preference.